What really makes us stand out is our vast experience, our attention to details, and really making sure we put an emphasis on communication.
We do try to keep them updated as much as possible. Any questions that they may have, and we do try to get all those answers.
And if there's any unknowns, we'll make sure that you know that going in ahead of time, so that you have full autonomy over your project and you understand all the moving parts.
You're listening to the customer and understanding what their needs are, if they have specific issues with a project that we need to address or special requests.
Each person's project is different.
The process that we take the customer in is that we will start the project off with the site evaluation. We will walk them through any red flags that we see during the site evaluation. After we get the site evaluation, we will send them over some of the pictures, and then we'll have the engineers draft the plans.
The energy expert's going to work with customizing their system, finding a financing option that fits their needs, and coming up with a general project plan, which we put on a contract. After that, we do pass it off to our project management team.
We'll walk them through what the system does, any of the equipment that we're installing, and the purpose of the equipment.
We work with tier 1 manufacturers, and we like to partner with brands that we can trust. So the warranty for panels is a 25-year product on all of the panels that we offer. There's a production guarantee from the panels for 25 years.
We just want to assure the customer that they are in good hands.
We consider ourselves in a long-term relationship with each customer that we have. Whatever we do for you, we don't stop there. We'll continue to service your system for as long as you need us to.